Hello everyone. This is to highlight the highlights of the course, and the very first one is that the 90% of the syllabus shall be covered in the sessions. That is, 90% of the textual questions will be covered in the sessions. Other than that, the questions which are important and which appear to be a bit of one level up shall be discussed and done in the class. That's the first point. The second one is that additional questions covered for all chapters. It's not this way that this chapter is simple, so let us not take up the very difficult questions from this chapter. All the additional questions, most of the questions, additional questions which appear to be difficult will be covered for all chapters. Then MCQ test of all the chapters. Now, this MCQ test does not mean that you simply have to appear for very simple questions. This MCQ test will be the test where there will be questions of 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 marks, or depending upon the number of marks that are supposed to be allotted to a question, and you will have to sit with a pen and a notebook to simplify that question. The question might be lengthy, but in order to make sure that you get the result on the spot, we shall be giving you those MCQ tests. And the last, flexibility to take a chapter out of the turn. Now, why this important point? The reason is sometimes we design the course keeping in mind the average chapters that are taken by the schools in the half-yearly examination. But sometimes a school goes out of the turn to take some other chapter because the teacher has time enough to cover up that chapter. So, over here, if more than 50% of the students have that particular chapter in the syllabus, that chapter can be taken up out of the course, out of the turn, so that you are able to cope up with the syllabus that is there in the half-yearly examination. I would like to see you in the course. This is Ajay Rawat. I had been teaching in Vedanta since last 2 years now, and I had been most of the time taking OTFs. So, I would like to see you in my course. Bye-bye.